This is very strong cleaning and perfume for 7 days. To start today's tip, we will put 2 tablespoons of vinegar inside a bowl. I'll also squeeze to lime, already cut in half. Tell me if you've ever used lime and vinegar to help with housekeeping. I'd love to know. After I started using this mixture, my house became much more fragrant and bright. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of laundry soap powder. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Nessence Badu from Belgium. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now I will add a tablespoon of baking soda. It is one of the main ingredients that help to clean even the most difficult surfaces, no matter how dirty they are. Let's add 100 milliliters of water. Best of all, this mix is really easy to make. Then I'll transfer everything into a spray bottle. The spray bottle will help control the dosage we use during your application. I'm using a funnel to prevent the liquid from falling out of the container. I'm sure that after you start using in your home, we'll come back here to thank me for teaching you this amazing tip for cleaning. It's really amazing how efficient she is. I'll start by applying our product to my bathroom sink. After I started using this mixture, I never had to worry about bad smells. Even the most difficult stains to remove, I can clean just by performing a light brushing. Note that our product does not make any foam. This makes it much easier to remove after finish cleaning the desired area. You will never need to spend money on those expensive cleaning products sold in conventional markets. Instead, do this amazing trick using just a few products easily found in our daily lives. I do it myself often in my home, and it's already part of my routine. Look how clean my sink is. Now I'm going to apply our mixture to my toilet. I'm using it mainly to clean my bathroom, but you can apply in the environment you prefer. Even my neighbors already asked me, what is my secret to keep my house so smelly? They can't imagine that. The secret is actually this super easy homemade product to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.